everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add magic sweetie effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. After you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. This one. Click on it, and then in here you just click on the video effect. And then at the menu, you can swipe until you can see the 3D. This one. Click on it and swipe down until you can see magic sweetie effect, this one. So you just click on it and then click check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom, this one. And then you can adjust for the vertical shift, for the horizontal shift, for the speed, for the rotate, and then for the filter. Just swipe left or right like this, and then after this you can click check icon. Now set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add a magic sweetie effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.